Hi guys, bienvenidos, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be the long-awaited how I pack light, air quotes, because I am the queen of overpacking. I'm that person that brings things just in case it rains, just in case it snows in a tropical place, just in case I want to curl my hair, or just in case I want to flat iron my hair the next day. I'm that person. Which I guess goes hand in hand with an overpacker. But throughout the years, I've learned some tips and tricks on how to pack light or try to pack light. I recently went to Miami for 12 days and I wanted to challenge myself, basically pack everything in my carry-on luggage with a duffel bag. I kind of sort of cheated with the duffel bag because I used it as my purse, but then I put my whole entire life in the duffel bag as well. Pro tip number one, bring a duffel bag as your carry-on purse, or at least try to get away with it, because I'm pretty sure it's not 110% allowed, but just try to get away with it. Anyway, so I ended up going for 12 days, packed 12 outfits plus 3 extra outfits just in case. That's me compromising. I made a lot of compromising in this video, you will notice in a few, but fun fact, I didn't end up using all 12 outfits. That being said, no, you do not have to bring 12 outfits, especially if you're going to a tropical place, because believe it or not, you'll be more in a bathing suit than an actual outfit. At least that's me all the time. I want to make a quick disclaimer and just remind you guys again that I am not the greatest when packing light, so just keep that in mind. I am that example of someone that overpacks and is trying to pack light. So that being said, I hope this video is helpful and useful, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let me just show you guys exactly what I'm bringing. This is a maxi dress with the belt, a romper, a 2-piece set, another romper, white jeans, and the shirt that I want to wear it with, dress, 2-piece set. This is a shirt and then a skirt down below, another shirt and some shorts, a pair of jeans and a little crop top, tank top and shorts, and then these are extra items that I'm taking just in case. I have a crop top, some shorts, this is a cover up, a bathing suit, 2 little dresses, and a maxi skirt. Oh wait, these are also extra, some shirts and shorts. I'm not sure if I'm bringing these yet, but if they fit, they're coming with me. I'm bringing 2 pairs of PJs, workout clothes in case I want to work out. For my underwear, I always like to put them in these little bags with my bras inside as well. And then this one has all my bathing suits. Now for accessories, I don't have everything here. I still need to put the jewelry in a little bag, but I'm bringing this sun hat, this purse, a black one, white and nude, and then some sunglasses. And then these are the shoes that I'm bringing, 4 sandals, 4 heels. The green ones are still a maybe, but if they fit, they're coming with me. All right, so here comes the magic. The way that I like to pack is with cubes. I got these at Amazon, which I'll be listing down below for you guys. I believe it brings 6 different little baggies. You can put used clothes in here, and then maybe like your toiletries here, and it has a few other cubes. So I start with the big one, and I put all my outfits in here. All right, so for instance, with this dress and this belt, I'm just going to put it in and roll it. I like to roll my outfit because I feel like you get a lot more space that way. There's certain ones that I do just basically place on top like that. For example, these are so flat. The jeans, for instance, I do like to roll because they're a little bit thicker. Alrighty, so that right there has 11 outfits. For the next cube, I'm just going to be placing my extra items, my PJs, and workout clothes. Alright, so then we have 2 little cubes full of clothes. I honestly really like these, especially because they have 2 zippers and this little handle, which you could take anywhere. All right, so I'm going to be using this duffel bag as my purse, and inside I'll be fitting the hat, my sunglasses, my curling wand. I'm not too sure if I could bring this in my purse, but I've brought it in my carry-on before and it's been okay. These right here are my toiletries, some hair products, makeup remover, brush, my accessories, deodorant, brushes, hairspray. This is also part of the set from Packing in Cubes that I got from Amazon. And then my makeup that I bring with me. My brushes are in here. A palette. Let me know if you guys want to see what I bring with me when it comes to makeup. All right, and then I'm also bringing my computer, wallet, passport, and then in here I have like some hand sanitizers and other few things. And then in this bag I keep everything electronic, my camera, my external hard drive, some chargers, little tripods, and all that stuff. If you guys haven't noticed, I like to pack in cubes. Alrighty, so that was my pack with me video. Let me know in the comments below if it was helpful, informative, useful, if you learned something from it, and if you have any tips and tricks that you would like to share with me. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye! Long trip. How I pack light. Fun fact about me, I pack things for the what if. So like, what if it rains? What if it snows in a tropical place? You know, I'm that overpacked. I've learned to compromise on not bringing absolutely everything from my closet because it's not necessary, or at least try to get away with it, because I'm pretty sure it's not legal.